Hello Scorpio, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Scorpio, this is your reading for the month of October 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay, Scorpio, there is an extended reading for this one, and if you are interested in the same, if you're excited to know what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and your person, you can go ahead and you can check out the link that has been provided in description box and in the comment section. Okay, we'll also see what are the romantic messages available for the month of October using the romance angel cards, and most importantly we'll also see the why you're experiencing stagnancy and what exactly you can do to overcome that stagnancy. Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, let's get started. As far as this reading on YouTube is concerned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent the energy of the person you're dealing with, you're thinking about. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, I'm going to pull out some oracle cards, and with the help of oracle cards, we'll see what are the messages available for you for the month of October. Messages, it can be love related, it can be general messages. Okay, so let's get started now. So we have Page of Swords, we have is Seven of Wands, and we have is Two of Cups, the Star, then we have is Six of Pentacles and the Sun, then Ace of Wands, and we have is Eight of Wands. What are the messages available for you for the month of October, Scorpio? What are the messages available for you for the month of October? Magician in the Mirror, Storm Warning, Walking Away, and Community. We'll discuss the oracle cards at the fag end. Okay, let's talk about the tarot card. You may be dealing with a Leo, with an Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. And I'm also hearing Taurus. So Scorpio, Page of Swords, Eight of Wands, and Two of Cups. With that Page of Swords, I feel that you are trying to do some sort of a research, maybe some self-contemplation, because you don't want to fall in the ditch all over again. Okay, you have had a lot of intense experiences in the past. Some were good, some were bad, and you're trying to be cautious this time around because you don't want to experience the bad moments all over again. What happens is you experience the intensity too much. Okay, whether it is happiness, whether it is sadness, whether it is joy, whether it is disappointment, whatever it is. Okay, whether they are the positive feelings or the negative feelings, you experience the intensity too much, and especially when you're experiencing the high intensity of bad moments, you really go into a different phase. Okay, and you do come out of that phase, but then you take your own time. And now this time around, I see you are being cautious because you see that there are possibilities of new love happening in your life all over again. So you're taking your time, you're doing some self-evaluation, you're doing some research, like what mistakes I committed, how I should have shown my boundaries. Okay, what kind of people I should entertain in my life. So some self-evaluation, contemplation is going on. Okay, for some of you, you're also a bit curious about your past person, and you may just sneaking around on their social media, like what is going on in their life. Okay, with that Seven of Wands, I feel like you're trying to show your strength, you're trying to show your power to people around you, especially to those who have underestimated you, or it's like people who underestimated you, people who made attempts to pull you down. you have this thing going on inside you that you want to show to them how, what kind of a true person you are. Okay, so it's not of a revenge kind of an attitude, but what I feel is that you you want to, you are a powerful soul and you know that. Okay, and you're going to show your power by becoming more successful is what I'm sensing. So what I see is that you're working hard a lot in your life. Okay, you're really working hard a lot, you're slogging a lot, and this is something, uh, the kind of hard work that you're doing now is, or probably you may want to do in the future, is something that you have not done before. Like, you have worked hard a lot, but the kind of passion and determination and discipline you're going to have in your hard work, it is going to be, it will be an unparalleled experience for you. Okay, you're driven by success. You want to achieve success. You want to show, you want to reach your true potential. You want to explore your potential, and you know that you're a powerful soul. If you invest your energy for the right purpose, you can really achieve a lot in your life. And that's what you want to do. And after that, you want to attract equally successful people in your life. Okay, you have a goal for yourself. Okay, Scorpio, you are like, you want to do something, you want to achieve something, you want to reach a certain level of success in your life, and after that you want to attract equally successful people. Okay, so when I say success, it's not necessarily only career success. You want to rise up as a person also, as a human being also. You want to achieve spiritual awakening also. You want to mature up also. You want to become more wise also. Okay, at all levels you want success, and you are really working hard in that direction. Some of you are also working on your appearance. Okay, with a Two of Cups, I feel that a fated connection is very soon about to happen in your life, Scorpio, and I just want you to be ready for that. And you are already gearing up for that. Okay, you are already gearing up. You are working hard on yourself. You probably are feeling certain things intuitively. Okay, the Sun, Six of Pentacles, and we have is the Star for you. Someone is in love with you. Okay, someone is in love with you. They think about you and they just think that they want you. Okay, they just think that you are theirs. Scorpio, someone is already madly in love with you. Okay, they think that you are a wife material, a husband material. They think that you are a marriage material person, and you are really awesome. Okay, you are a beautiful soul inside out. They think that if you enter in their life will be complete. Okay, they see you in the future, and I'm sure that many of you don't know who this person is, but this person is watching you since long. Okay, this person is really watching you since long, and this person is very nice and kind and compassionate. Someone you will like instantly. Okay, you will really fall for this person instantly. Okay, and it is also possible that this person is quite a successful person. You are attracting successful people in your life, right? So this person is coming across as pretty successful, someone who has some name, fame and reputation, someone who is very abundant, someone who has experienced life a lot from the beginning itself. They have gone through a lot of ups and downs, but every time they have come out as a phoenix rising. Okay, and what I see is that irrespective of everything, this person has that childlike enthusiasm inside them. Okay, they are very much still a child inside them, and they want to experience that joy of, they want to experience that joy and that innocence with you, because somehow they think that even you have that childlike enthusiasm inside you. Okay, so they are already in love with you. Whosoever this person is, they are already in love with you. Okay, so as far as the mutual energy is concerned, we have is Ace of Wands and we have is Eight of Wands. So some sudden communication, some sudden changes will bring new beginnings is what I'm hearing. Okay, some sudden changes is about to bring some new beginning in your life, Scorpio, and I just want you to be ready for that. Okay. You are also manifesting this new beginning, and someone who's going to enter in your life is also manifesting that. Okay. If this resonates, hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Okay, if you're interested in extended reading, the link is in description box and in the comment section. We'll see what your person truly thinks and feels about you, what action they will take towards you, what is the likely conclusion between you and this person. We'll also see what are the romantic messages for you for the month of October, and we'll also see most importantly, we'll see like why you're experiencing stagnancy and what exactly you can do to overcome that stagnancy. Okay, so we have coming back to this reading, we have Magician, Storm Warning, Walking Away, and Community. Okay, so you're being asked to walk away from situations and people that are not making you happy. Okay, you with that Sun card, I feel that you're being asked to find happiness within yourself. Okay, you're trying to find that happiness within someone else. Don't do that. Start finding happiness within yourself. Okay, and you will start finding happiness within yourself if you first of all start isolating, distancing yourself from negativity, negative situations, negative people who pull you down. Just distance yourself from them. That's it, end of the story. Okay, with that Storm Warning, I'm also feeling that you may okay, so this message is like, if you keep on entertaining people, unnecessary people and situations whom you should have left long time back, okay, if you do not leave them, then you are going to experience a lot of storms, you're going to experience a lot of challenges which were not supposed to come your way, but you will experience them if you do not leave those people and situations who pull you down. Okay, you are underestimating yourself. Let me tell you that, Scorpio. You are underestimating yourself, and that's why people so far underestimated yourself. You are a very powerful soul. You are a magician. Okay, you are coming across as a magician. You can manifest. You can have whatever you want in your life. Don't underestimate yourself. Do some meditation. Your soul drive is around you to help you out. Okay. There are going to be changes in your friend circle. I believe for some of you, your friends are changing. Okay, you had certain set of friends since last couple of years, but then you will have new set of friends going ahead. New friendships are going to happen in your life. Okay, so be ready for these changes. That's all. That's the most important message I want to convey. Okay, all right. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.